PC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, a beautiful one today and a nice one this evening. Another nice day tomorrow with a few more high clouds moving in, but it should be a gorgeous day. Clouds on the increase Wednesday ahead of our next weather maker that will deliver storms Thursday. Maybe the threat of severe weather. We'll have to wait and see on that. So let's take a look at the big picture as we look at the water vapor imagery. And there you can see our next weather maker. It should be arriving Thursday. It will produce severe weather, perhaps across Texas as early as Wednesday. So we'll get to the timing in just a bit. Meanwhile, our weather has been absolutely fantastic. Clear skies, fair conditions. That's going to continue overnight tonight. High pressure, though, beginning to edge a little bit farther to the east. So we'll see an east to southeast wind through tomorrow morning. So temperatures cool, getting into the 50s tonight, but they'll rise quickly tomorrow. More than likely we'll get into the upper 70s to near 80 with mostly sunny skies, but you can see those high clouds coming in from the west. That's going to continue into tomorrow night, so much milder tomorrow night. And then as we head into Wednesday, we're going to see a mostly cloudy day, few intervals of sun. Should be a dry day. Meanwhile, storms are going to be breaking out across Texas. This is what we will be watching, and that'll be moving into Oklahoma and Arkansas as well. Perhaps the threat of severe weather. We'll talk more about that in just a second. And then those storms pushing through the Acadiana area, and the question is, will we see a severe weather factor? More than likely, like last weekend, the wind dynamics are going to be pretty strong, but there are a number of mitigating factors that we saw this past weekend. Dry air, maybe some Texas dust, and the marine layer from the Gulf of Mexico throwing some of a wet blanket on the storms. But watch as we look at the European model, kind of doing the same thing what we saw Saturday. Nasty storms across Texas. They build into Louisiana, not necessarily severe, but maybe in the northern part of the state. And once the energy gets over the warmer swamp, things kind of blossom out and you start to see the possibility of individual supercells developing into Thursday afternoon. But by late Thursday afternoon, we're going to be good. Severe weather threat moving into Mississippi and Alabama, and thereafter it's a good looking forecast for your Good Friday and also going into Easter weekend. It looks like lots of sunshine Saturday and Sunday, with the next weather maker not to affect us until a week from tomorrow after that Thursday weather system. So that's what we'll be watching. Here's the severe weather threat. We're only going to take you through Wednesday for right now, and there's an enhanced risk of supercell storms that may produce large hail, you know, the baseball size hail that you can see in Texas, maybe some wind damage and perhaps an isolated tornado. It does look like as we head into Thursday, we're going to be under a slight risk, but I'm not going to paint it quite yet until we get a little bit closer to that event. So we'll do that for tomorrow for sure. But mind you, there will be some sort of severe weather threat. How big of a severe weather threat Thursday, yet to be determined. And as for rainfall, not concerned with rain with the next weather system, an inch or less, give or take a half an inch. Heavier rains, though, will exist off to the north where they could catch 2 to 3 inches of rain, so not a big rainmaker by any stretch of the imagination for Thursday. Tonight, nice and cool, upper 40s to lower 50s, northern parishes, I-10 corridor, absolutely gorgeous, low to mid 50s, so the air conditioner getting a break, pretty much near normal for the time of the year, and much the same across the coastal parishes, Cameron being a little bit milder by the water for sure. And then after that cool start, we'll touch 80 degrees for tomorrow afternoon and probably hit 80 again on Wednesday. So a very pleasant evening overnight tonight as we cool off nicely. A little damp and a little dewy on the cars and the grass tomorrow morning with that east-southeast wind. We'll go 54 the low in Lafayette, but the range will be upper 40s to low to mid 50s across the area. Then tomorrow, another nice day, a few degrees warmer for sure, and some afternoon high clouds, but that's going to be about it. Nice tropical breeze in the afternoon as well. As we move ahead, there's the increase in cloud cover Wednesday. Storms will go with rain chance at 80% on Thursday. Clearing house for Good Friday and into the weekend, as we mentioned, looking very good. A nice pattern for this weekend. That's it for weather right now. We'll be right back right after this.